If you want to boost trust on your WordPress website, one of the quickest ways is by adding testimonials. And the best part, WordPress has a built-in feature that most people don't even realize exists. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to activate testimonials on your site in under 2 minutes. Simple, clean, and perfect. Let's get into it. First, open your WordPress website in your browser. Make sure you're logged in. If you're using the WordPress.com interface, you can simply hit Continue with Google to log in instantly. Once you're inside your dashboard, on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu panel. From here, click on Settings. This is where most of your site-wide configurations live. Under Settings, select Writing. This section usually handles basic content settings, but hidden at the bottom is a powerful feature that many people overlook. Scroll all the way down until you see the option labeled Testimonials. By default, this feature is turned off on most sites. All you have to do is toggle the switch to activate it. When you enable testimonials, WordPress automatically adds a dedicated post type where you can collect, manage, and display customer feedback. This means your visitors can submit reviews and you can showcase them across your pages, landing sections, or even your homepage to instantly add credibility. After turning the toggle on, make sure you hit Save Changes. This step is crucial. If you skip it, the testimonial feature won't actually activate. Once saved, you'll see a new item appear in your dashboard sidebar called Testimonials. This is where you can add new testimonials manually or view submissions from your customers, depending on your theme or setup. And that's it. In just a few clicks, your site is now equipped with a built-in testimonial system designed to help you build trust and conversions. If this guide helped you set up testimonials on your WordPress site, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials just like this. And if you want the next step, like displaying testimonials in a slider or customizing their layout, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.